What's up, guys? It's your boy Dave Aries, and right now we're gonna unbox the Neumann TLM 103. And as you can see here, I've got the MT version, which stands for the matte black, I'm assuming. Now, Neumann isn't really known for their, I would say, great package design, but you know what? That tells me that all the money was probably spent on research and development for these incredible microphones. But let's get it out of the packaging. Let's see what's going on here. Well, at least on the bright side, some of that money's being spent on this cherry wood finished box in there, but not much else. Got the manual here with the nice shock mount, but of course the way you get that is you can buy it separately for about almost $300, or you get it with the case and shock mount as a set. The anniversary set, as they call it. That would go for about $1,300, or the mic by itself, which is about $1,100. Now, let's get to this baby here. Neumann logo on the box, gold clasps. All right, looking pretty sleek. I would prefer a black wood finish would be really nice to go along with the mic, but that's okay. It's a classic Neumann cherry wood box. But anyway, it ships with the metal mic mount. At least you got something to hold the mic up instead of just your hands. But yeah, here's the mic. Now, a lot of these pro audio equipment, funny enough, they don't come with any special security seals, so you're just gonna have to open it up and hopefully that it's brand spanking new. But anyway, cool mic. I mean, it's not huge, it's not small, but it is a pretty compact size, but the sound is incredible. And if you guys are wondering what it sounds like, I am speaking through it right now, and it's going through a universal audio Thunderbolt interface. No special processing, just straight raw, baby. Straight raw. Anyway, let me grab something else to show you the size comparison. So this is one of the reasons why I actually got this mic, other than the outstanding sound quality. I like the compact size, so that combination of portability and sound quality is what really drove me to get this mic. Now, this is a MicTech C1. This has a transformer in it. They're going for more of a vintage, I guess, analog sound. Probably more along the size of the Neumann's U87 in comparison to size. But the C1 is an awesome mic. I definitely recommend you check that out as well. It's a really, I would say, underrated mic. But anyway, guys, it's been great. Just a quick unboxing. If you like the video, thumbs up. Peace out. And of course, subscribe.